Looking to extend your SmartLab's capabilities? The HT-1500 makes it easy. The HT-1500 is a high-temperature in-situ attachment, controlling the sample temperature from room temperature to 1500 degrees Celsius to capture various sample phases and structure transitions. Introducing the HT-1500 in-situ high-temperature attachment, an easy upgrade for existing SmartLab systems. The HT-1500 can be easily added to an existing SmartLab diffractometer for high-temperature XRD experiments. To begin, open the attachment lid and remove the heat shield to expose the heater and sample holder. Prepare your powder sample using the metal sample holder, then install the holder inside the heater. Insert the thermocouple into the sample holder to accurately monitor the sample temperature. Once the sample is set up, replace the heat shield and lid. The next step is to set up a temperature table. You can easily configure it using the SmartLab Studio II software. You adjust in the target temperatures, ramping rates and hold times as needed. You can also select how you want to control the temperature after the experiment. Once the setup is complete, you're ready to start the measurement. At this point, the process is fully automated. You can walk away and SmartLab Studio II will take care of the rest. It will follow your programmed temperature table, automatically adjusting the temperature, running the scans, and saving the data for each step. In this example, you'll first observe the diffraction pattern of calcite. As the temperature increases, the peaks shift due to the thermal expansion of the lattice. When the sample reaches the phase transition temperature of around 800 degrees Celsius, it transforms into calcium oxide. This phase change is clearly captured in the diffraction pattern. After the measurement, you may have 5, 10 or more scans depending on your experiment settings. These scans can be analysed easily using the workflow tools. You can conduct a peak search to compare peak positions, identify phases and quantify phase compositions. Once the analysis conditions are selected, the same analysis can be applied to all scans automatically. Results can also be visualized in a waterfall plot or two-dimensional color map, providing a clear, intuitive two-dimensional view of your high-temperature measurements and phase transitions. Upgrade your SmartLab with HT-1500 today. Contact us to learn more.